The mission of Pinecrest North Preparatory High is to provide an innovative and challenging curriculum in a nurturing environment that fosters respect and sets high expectations for students, parents, teachers, and staff. We're not just teaching science, technology, engineering, and math, we're living it. Our elementary, middle, and high school curriculum fully integrates STEM across subjects, emphasizing critical thinking, problem solving, and career-focused learning. Students developed high-order thinking skills through collaboration, creativity, and hands-on innovation. But that's not all. Soft skills like time management, respect, and a positive attitude are also key. They're taught, assessed, and reinforced in every subject, ensuring our Pumas are well-rounded and prepared for real-world success. The STEM design process empowers students to take ownership of their learning, constantly refining their ideas to develop innovative solutions. And let's hear it for our teachers. They're always learning too. Through in-house training, professional development, and online courses, they stay ahead of the latest trends in STEM education. STEM is more than just a subject at Pinecrest North Prep. It's a way of thinking, learning, and preparing for the future.